Welcome to the Mission Meadows 2017 Ability Awareness presentation. This year's theme is Access is Inclusion. This year, Mission Meadows will be presenting each student with a token necklace as a reminder of our theme. We hope that when you wear your necklace, you will be reminded of our theme, making you more aware of the world around you and how important it is to have access to not only the things you have to do, but also to the things you want to do. We also thought that you might like to see how these special necklaces were made. First, the design. Within the design, you will find a number of important symbols reflecting our theme, including the name of your wonderful school and not one, but two Mission Meadows Mustangs, the year 2017, the Vista Unified School District logo, the theme statement, Access is Inclusion, 5 symbols of access to reflect our goal of creating access for all people, regardless of ability. A laurel wreath, which is an ancient Greek symbol of victory and triumph, as we intend to be triumphant in reaching our goal of creating absolute accessibility. There are 9 shining stars, because in Greek mythology, 9 is the number of inspiration, and in math, the number 9, when multiplied, always reproduces itself. This represents the Mission Meadows students inspiring others to promote accessibility everywhere, with the hopes that that inspiration will multiply and reproduce itself, just like the number 9. Finally, in the center of it all, a shining heart of gold, which is a symbol of kindness and goodness. This heart represents your heart and what it means to be kind and consider others and their needs for accessibility and inclusion. But that's just the beginning. Once the design is done, the necklace still needs to be made. So the next step in the process is to reproduce the design. We chose to use a printable, shrinkable plastic. Once printed, each medallion is cut out individually by hand. Following that, each medallion is shrunk by baking. Look at the difference in size from where it began to its final size. A piece of yarn is hand-tied with 2 pretzel knots so that the length is adjustable. Each medallion's heart of gold is then accented with a metallic gold glitter. Then a gold ring is attached to the medallion and the yarn necklace, making the necklace complete. This process was repeated hundreds of times so that each student would have one of their very own. But guess what? It gets better. There is another medallion, a heart of gold medallion that each student will have the opportunity to earn, and all you have to do is Number 1. Attend the Mission Meadows Ability Awareness Training, Access is Inclusion, which you're doing now. Number 2. Using what you've learned, find opportunities to include someone and make it happen. Number 3. Tell a school staff member about it, and you might earn a heart of gold. And number 4. If you see someone else doing something inclusive, tell about that, and that person might earn a heart of gold too. Hearts of Gold are awarded monthly at the Friday morning sing assemblies, along with a certificate of appreciation. And there is no limit to the number of gold hearts you can earn. So share the message. Access is inclusion.